All right, Title, what's up? We got the board brief for the weekend. So it's Saturday, the 20th of January, and we have a great one for you today. And it's 4 rounds for time, 21 deadlifts, 105, 155 respectively, followed by 3 rope climbs. So that's the RX version. Level 2, 4 rounds for time, 21 deadlifts, a little bit lighter, 75, 115, 1 rope climb, 5 strict pull-ups. Okay. And then we have 4 rounds for time, 15 deadlifts at 55, 75, 5 pulls to stand. Okay. So first thing, it's going to be probably crowded on the weekend. So we're going to have to share, and sharing means caring, and be kind when we're doing the rope climbs. You might have to wait a little bit. 1 rope climb, another person does a rope climb, something like that. Okay. So let's just talk about how the workout or what the workout was designed for. First and foremost, if you look at it, it's going to be kind of grippy. So we got 21 deadlifts every round, or 15 deadlifts every round. So you can expect that your grip is going to get fatigued. Okay. And then followed by rope climbs, which is very grippy. So you understand what I'm getting at here, right? So we're the totality of the grip strength that you're going to have to do this workout is going to maybe have your hands cramp up a little bit, or your forearms fire up a little bit. The other thing this workout looks for or entails is your posterior chain. So we got 21. So usually we see something like 3 rounds or something like 21, 15, 9, a total of 45 reps. This is almost double that. Okay, so training our posterior chain and muscle endurance in the posterior chain is what this is all about. Because if you see the loading, 105, 155, it's fairly light for what we usually deadlift. Okay. And that brings me to my next point, is that when we're doing deadlifts at a lighter weight, let's make sure we're doing the reps correctly and meeting the standard. So each time the barbell will start from the ground and will finish in a locked out position with my hips, knees, ankles, hips, shoulders, all in a straight line with my shoulders behind the bar. Okay. The other thing with the deadlifts is try not to pound the bar or the weights into the ground as you're doing touch and go reps. Is that because that's considered bouncing the bar, and we don't want any bouncing of the bar off the floor, and that to gain an advantage, obviously. Okay. So straight up deadlifts, make sure we're opening our hips and make sure we're locking out at our knees. Rope climbs. All right. Touch the beam above or the rope above at the beam height. That is the standard for the 15-foot rope climb. You can go, if you really want to get crazy and go rope or legless, that you can do that as well, right? But if you're looking for the skill work in this movement, it is actually the foot lock on the rope climb. So we'll be going over some of that as well in the warm-ups. All in all, we're looking for 15 minutes and under on this workout, and that's being kind of generous because of the amount of rope climbs and the amount of people that we have in class. So if you were doing this workout by yourself, it was probably something around 7 minutes to 12 to 13 minutes, somewhere in and about there. That's what we're looking for. But because we have a lot of people with it, you get what I mean. So the workout is pretty quick and pretty dirty, and it's going to challenge your grip and challenge your core as well. All right, guys, have some fun with this one. Let's clang and bang and have some fun climbing those ropes. We'll see you tomorrow. Enjoy.